We can handle all online courses, business and management, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management.
Welcome to my YouTube channel IT Guides. In today's session, we are tackling Chapter 3 of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on cumulative patient. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exams, or complete course. Don't hesitate to connect for support in various courses. Let's start this assignment and solve step by step. Title of assignment is Exp22 Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Patient. You can see your project description here to get idea about assignment. First step is about Start Excel. Download and open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Patient. You can download this file from IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded and opened this file Exp22 Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Patient. So move to the next step, that is step number 2. Step number 2 is about weekly blood pressure readings have been entered for a sample patient. You want to create a clustered column chart to compare the readings for the month. After you create a chart, you will move it to a chart sheets that will be used to contain several charts for easy reference. Create a clustered column chart using the range A2 to C7 on the April worksheet. Move the chart to cell A1 in the chart sheet. Basically, in this step, we have to create a clustered column chart using this range on the April worksheet. Then move the chart to cell A1 in chart sheet. We will go to the Excel worksheet and ensure our April worksheet is active. So our April worksheet is active. Select the range A2 to C7. We will select this range on April worksheet. And we have to create a clustered column chart. Go to the Insert tab. In the chart groups, click on the recommended charts, go in all charts, and we have to cluster column chart. In column chart group, we have to see our clustered column chart. Click OK. It will create our clustered column chart using this range. Now we have to move this chart to cell A1 in chart sheet. We have already our chart sheets. Move this chart by clicking Move Chart as the objects in our chart sheet. So we will select our chart sheets from here and click OK. Now it move our chart to chart worksheet. We will set it in cell A1 in the chart sheet. Select our chart, drag it in cell A1. Step number 2 is complete now. Move to the next step, that is step number 3. Step number 3 is about change the chart title to blood pressure reading in April and bold the title. Here we have to change our chart title with the text blood pressure reading in April. Select this, go to the Excel worksheet, double click to select our chart title and write blood pressure reading in April. We have to bold the chart title. So select chart title, go to the home tab. In the font groups, we will click on bold. We have to bold our complete title. So select our complete title and then click on bold. It will bold our chart title. Move to the next step. That is step number 4. You realize the chart might be easier to read as a bar chart. Change the chart type to cluster bar. Here we have to change the chart type to cluster bar. Go to the Excel worksheet, select the chart, and we have to change the chart type. Go to the Design tab. Here we will see that our change chart type. So click here and we have to change chart type to cluster bar. Here select our bar chart. Now our first chart is cluster bar chart. Select it and click on OK. Chart type is changed now in cluster bar chart. Step number 5 is about you will increase the chart size to make it easier to read on a display screen. Set for height. In this step, we have to increase our height of our chart by setting it heights 4. Go to the Excel worksheet, select the chart and go to the Format tab. We will select our chart and go to the Format tab. Increase height of the chart. In the Format tab, in size group, here we have height and width of our chart. So we have to change height by setting it 4. So we will increase its height from 3 to 4. Now our chart height is 4. Step number 6 is about you want to remove the additional dates display on the category axis. Select the dates on the axis and display the format axis task pane. In the axis options category, select text axis to remove the extra dates from the chart. Now in this step, we have to select the dates on the axis and display the format axis pane. Task pane, go to the Excel worksheet and we have to select dates. Click on it, do right click on it and select format axis. In the axis option category, select text axis to remove the extra dates from the chart. We have to select text axis. Go to the Excel worksheet and select text axis. Now we have to select text axis. It will remove the extra dates from the chart. Go to the next step, that is step number 7. Step number 7 is about you want to arrange the dates with the oldest date at the top. Display the dates in reverse order on the category axis so that 4/1/2024 is at the top of the vertical axis. In this step, basically we have to change the order of the category axis. We will have to select reverse order on the category axis. Then we have our date 4/1/2024 at the top of the vertical axis. Go to the Excel worksheet. Select our category axis. In category axis, we have to select categories in reverse order. Now our 4/1/2024 date is on top of the vertical axis. After setting the vertical axis, its step is completed now. Move to the next step, that is step number 8. Step number 8 is about next you will create a line chart depicting the heart rate readings for the month. This chart will help the patient see trends over time. Create a line chart using the range A3 to A7 and D3 to D7 on the April worksheet. Move the line chart to the start in cell I1 in the chart sheet. In this step, we have to create a line chart using these ranges on the April worksheet. So firstly, go to the Excel worksheet and ensure that our April worksheet is active. So click the April worksheet. Now our April worksheet is active. Select the range A3 to A7. In April worksheet, we will select this range A3 to A7, 3 to A7 and D3 to D7. D3 to D7. After selecting these both ranges, we have to create a line chart. In the Insert tab, go to the chart groups, click on recommended charts and click on the line chart. Click OK. Here it creates our line chart by using these ranges. Move the line chart to the start in cell I1 in the chart sheets. We have to move the line chart to the chart sheet. Go to the Excel worksheet. We have this our line chart and we want to move it just in our chart sheet. So click on the move chart and we have to move it as an object in chart sheet. So click here and select chart sheets and click OK. It moved our charts as a objects in chart sheet. We will have to set a line chart to start in cell I1. Select the chart, drag it and set it in I1. Step number 8 is completed now. Move to the next step, that is step number 9. Step number 9 is about you decide to adjust the size of the line chart. We have to now change the size of the line chart. Set 3.5 height and 5 width. Go to the Excel worksheet, select the line chart. In the Format tab, select line chart. In the Format tab, we have height and width of our chart. Set the height of the chart to 3.5. So we will increase it from 3 to 3.5 and set width to 5. Here already width is 5, so we will don't change it. Now our height and width of chart is 3.5 and 5. So move to the next step, that is step number 10. Change the line chart title to heart rates in April and bold the title. In this step, we have to just change the title of the line chart with heart rates in April, then bold it. So select this text, copy this and paste in chart titles, double click and select the title, paste the title. Now we have to bold it. Select the title. In the Home tab, go to the font group and click on bold. It will bold our chart title. Move to the next step, that is step number 11. Step number 11 is about select the dates and select text axis to remove the extra dates from the line charts. We have to select our dates that is in our chart and then select text axis that will remove the extra dates from chart. Go to the Excel worksheet. In the line chart, select dates. Do right click on it and click on Format Axis. Here we have to select our text axis that will remove our extra dates from the chart. You can see here it remove after clicking text axis, it will remove the extra dates from the chart. Step number 11 is completed now. Move to the next step, that is step number 12. Step number 12 is about you will change the font color for the axis to make the chart easier to read. We have to change the font color of the axis so that it will easy to read. Apply black text 1 font color to the value axis and to the category axis on the line chart. So we will have to change the font color of the both value axis and category axis with a black text one in the line chart. Go to the Excel worksheet. In our line chart, we have to change font color of both category axis and value axis. So first we will have to select category axis. So change its font color to black text one. Now select value axis and change its font color with black text one. Now it's easier to read. Move to the next step, that is step number 13. Step number 13 is about now you want to apply a gradient fill color to the plot area to soften the image. Apply light gradient as in 1 gradient fill color to the plot area on the line chart. In this step, we have to change the fill color of the line chart with light gradient as in 1. Go to the Excel worksheet. We will select the plot area of our line chart. Do right click on it and select the format plot area. After selecting format plot area, we will select fill and then select gradient fill. In the gradient fill color, we will have to choose light gradient accent 1. Now it will set our plot area color to light gradient accent 1. Move to the next step, that is step number 14. Step number 14 is about data labels provide exact details. In this case, adding data labels will provide exact heart rates. Add data labels in the above position on the line chart. In this step, we have to add our data labels in line chart to the above position. Go to the Excel worksheet. In line chart, we have to add data labels. So we will click here and add data labels. Check these boxes and we will have to set the position to the above. Now it will set our data labels on the above position. Move to the next step, that is step number 15. Step number 15 is about create a 2D pie chart using the ranges F3 to F4 and H3 to H4 in the April worksheet. Move the chart to the start in cell A22 in the chart sheet. In this step, we have just create a 2D pie chart using these two ranges F3 to F4 and H3 to H4 in the April worksheet. So go to the Excel worksheet. Firstly, we will ensure that our April worksheet is active now. Then we have to select two ranges F3 to F4 and H3 to H4. Select the range F3 to F4 and H3 to H4. H3 to H4. Now we have to create a 2D pie chart. Go to the Insert tab. In Chart Groups, click on Recommended Charts. Go to the All Charts and we have to create pie chart. Click OK. It will create our pie chart. Now move to the chart in the chart sheet. So first we have to just move it in our chart sheet. Click on Move Chart and has an object in here. We will select our chart sheet. Click OK. It will move our chart in our chart sheet. We will have to set it in cell A22. Select the chart and drag it in A22. Step number 15 is completed now. Total step in this assignment is 30. I have done 15 steps by completing each and every detail given in the instruction of these steps. For remaining step of this assignment, our help in another assignment, exams, quizzes, our entire course covering Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Assess, Finance Management, Information Technology and more. Feel free to get in touch. Contact me through provided email or WhatsApp given in description and display on screen and make deal. I assure you for achieving an A grade in all your courses. Thanks for watching my videos. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the videos. Thank you.